So do the boogie line. First step right, let's put my beat.
Hey guys, Liz here. Welcome back. So today I will be unboxing my very first Poppets, which this lovely user actually commented that I should buy this from Dollar Tree, but turns out Dollar Tree didn't actually have any Poppets in stock, so I just bought it off of Amazon, which my mom also said there was a surprise in there for me, so I was also excited about that. Okay, so now I'm unboxing it. Sorry if some parts are blurred. Weirdly, it's because the package had personal info on it, and yeah. But now we have our cat comb, which is for Junebug, and she fully approved. And now on to the exciting part, which is finally unboxing the Poppets. I was really excited, and I actually had to film this at night because I was so excited and I couldn't wait until morning. So now here's some weirdly ASMR stuff. So both of them were really fun to play with. My overall rating was an 8 out of 10. I asked my mom, she said it was a 4 out of 10 and then changed it to a 2 out of 10. And my dad rated it like a 6 out of 10. Now onto the game that inspired this whole Dollar Tree buying stuff idea.